Hello guys, welcome to tutorial part 5 powered by Make Programming Easy, made by Sanjay Kumar and just supported by Mrityunjay Kumar. In this tutorial, I will show you a first program which we gonna make in this tutorial. Now, the syntax, actually in the last tutorial I have discussed how we can make a C programming with a structured. And what are the elements? As we have discussed, the elements of any C code is preprocessing directive, comments if you want to specify, and the main function. Main function, what is the function? Main function is the main entry point of the compiler. Compiler starts executing from this parenthesis. Now, this is a well-defined structures that we have to follow in each and every C code to run our program. Now, this is an example has included studio.h comment line, and this is the main function, and this is the statement which just prints a simple statement into the console window. As I think you know that what is this has included studio.h is nothing, it's a header file which defines the function printf. Means what? Printf is a function in which its definition is included under this header file. If I omit this header file from this program, then printf seems to be error for this program. And what is this? This is nothing, this is a single line comment which we have specified for our understanding that what this code means. This is my first program to print a statement. And void main, what is main? Main is the function, and guys, you listen, function, how we recognize function in C code or in each every program, in each every language. In every language, function is just recognized by these parentheses. If a name has this parenthesis, means what? Means it's a function. So main is a function which returns void, means it's no return type, and what it's doing, it is simply printing a statement, hello, welcome to Make Programming Easy, into the console window. Now here is the explanation. As I have discussed in front of you, the explanation of this code. First line is what? First line means it's header file which contains the definition of printf. Second line is nothing but it's a single line comment we have made for our better understanding. Next one is main function. It's the entry point of the compiler, and compiler executes its programming or its steps from this parenthesis and still finds this parenthesis. And printf, as we know, printf is a function because it's contain its opening parenthesis and closing parenthesis, and it includes a statement which it prints into the black screen, means it's a console window. So this is our first program which seems to be easy for you, and in later video session we will discuss great programming. What is Fibonacci series, how we find factorial, what is palindrome, what is Armstrong, means each and every code I will discuss in front of you. So this is the basic syntax. I hope you understood this tutorial. So please subscribe us on YouTube for upcoming videos, and also you can like us on Facebook, http://facebook.com/makeprogrammingeasy, and also if you want to tweet us, then tweet us at http://twitter.com/cscitsanjay. And if you have any query regarding this tutorial, then please mail us at cscitsanjay@gmail.com. For upcoming videos, please subscribe at this video link. Thank you for watching. Have a great